Well, I got the clutch fan on here. I had to use that spacer right there, and I had to get some longer bolts, exactly like the old ones, and I had to drill those holes out where the bolts go through, bigger so the bolt can slide through, and they're grade 8 bolts. So I was going to go to a different pulley, a little small pulley for the water pump, so the water pump will spin faster. Well, it wasn't working out right, so I just put this pulley back on and put this fan hub spacer on and the clutch fan on. Now I'm going to see if I'll see what it does. Gotta prime it a few times. And as you can see, by putting that fan hub right here to push the fan out, you can see how much room between the end of the clutch to the radiator. And before, the fan clutch, the actual clutch was up to the pulley right here. So that's a good 1.5 inches or so space there. And that's enough to push the fan closest to the radiator. So that's how much gap there is between the radiator. You can't tell on camera, but in person you can tell there's a lot of room there. But let me go get the little package for those bolts right there, and I'll show you what size I use. Okay, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is the size that I used on that water pump for the fan clutch. Which is those right there that you see in the video. Right here where my finger's at, right there. Right there. There's 4, takes 4 of those bolts for that right there, so there you go.